reason you should start a Discord server is because there's literally no overhead cost and profit margins are literally about 95 to 97%. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can make over $5,000 a month from a Discord server, showing you from my Discord server itself and what I did. So first you need to find your niche. Like, what are you doing in your Discord? Is it NFTs? Is it stock trading? Is it tips? Or is it like educational things? First you need to find your niche. And with that niche, then you can go ahead and monetize it because you're gonna charge a subscription for people to learn about this niche. So essentially, say for my example, I do stock trading. So in my group, you get access to my stock plays if you pay a monthly subscription. It's literally like gonna show up on your billing statement as like maybe Netflix or something, the same way Netflix would show up, but it's gonna show up as my group, Stock Village. So the way that it works, people essentially sign up for this Netflix subscription, but instead they're getting stock plays for their monthly subscription and it just reoccurs. So once you find this niche, you're literally just charging a monthly subscription for people to have access to this niche. And with access to this niche, you need some kind of thing to track and order all these subscriptions because you can't do it all by yourself within Discord. So that's why you need to have some kind of subscription organizer. Now, the top two I know are Launchpass and Upgrade Chat, because Upgrade Chat they're both gonna take a fee, but Launchpass is about $29 a month. Upgrade Chat is about also $29 a month, $29 to $30 a month. So once you calculate these two, that's pretty much the cost you're gonna pay for a subscription organizer. So to organize your subscriptions, it'll show you all of your subscriptions that you have, how much a month you're charging for each subscription. If you want to do an extra package, then you can charge extra for the extra package. You can make pretty much unlimited subscriptions with Launchpass and Upgrade Chat. So it's really about which one you want to go more, because Launchpass takes 2.9% and Upgrade Chat, I'm pretty sure it takes 1.6%. So once you've had these organizers and the Discord, that's pretty much all you need, and you can start getting customers because you have the payment option. Launchpass will connect to Stripe, Upgrade Chat will connect to Stripe. Stripe is basically your hub of payments. So it'll show you how much is coming in each day, each month, depending on what your subscriptions are like, and it'll show you how much comes on each individual day. So Stripe will also let you transfer this to your bank account. So that's how you pretty much go from A to B. You start off with Discord, the middleman is Launchpass or Upgrade Chat, and the end zone is Stripe and putting the money inside your bank account. And now you could either reinvest this in with the ads, because I would say that's probably one of the best things to do, reinvest all the money into ads and building the Discord more and more, so then you can profit take once it's actually doing great and giving you over $5,000 a month. Now, the biggest part, probably the hardest part, is to actually get people inside your Discord. You need to cause hype, which can be done through TikTok or YouTube like I am right here. Or essentially, I would say you can start off going into other Discords and asking them, hey, like, do you want to try a new stock thing? Do you want to try a new stock group? Do you want to try a new cooking group? Do you want to try a new NFT group? And they'll probably be like, no, because it's like spam. But if the ones that you do get will probably join. The biggest way I'd probably say is through TikTok and YouTube, because they then support your niche already, and then you can just go ahead and funnel them to your Discord. And Discord's easy because you can charge really low prices and people forget about it, and it's really low overhead costs. So say that you have a $10 subscription and you're like, all right, Netflix or like something like that, I literally will just forget to cancel it. But it's the same with this Discord subscription. It's gonna cost you $10 each month. You're probably gonna forget about it, and it's gonna keep charging. And there you go. That's $120 a year for one person. Now, say you get 10,000 people in your Discord at $10 a month. That's literally $100,000 per month. So literally just per month, like $100,000 per month. Now, most people maybe will get like 500 or something like that, and that's $5,000 a month. Literally 500 people in your Discord at $10 a month, $5,000 a month. So literally that's the goal that you want to do. Just get 500 people at this this low rate you have. Now, the way I personally scaled mine is through TikTok. I literally just made TikTok videos about stocks and people joined my Discord from there. And I also, you can offer free trials, or you can offer like a free version of your Discord, which is what I do as well. So people can get a little sneak peek and just think about if they want to join the actual one or not. And the retention rate gives you a lot better outlook than if you were just to have a paid Discord and people didn't have a free option at all. So definitely those are the main things you need to do. First, you need to find your niche. Second, you need to go ahead and have a subscription organizer. Third, you need to go ahead and connect your payment system. And fourthly, you want to publish your videos within your like Discord niche. So go ahead and publish TikTok videos and public YouTube videos within your Discord niche. And essentially that's how you grow your Discord to $5,000 a month. Here's my screenshot of my earnings for the monthly. It ranges from $4,000 to $5,000 a month, $3,000 to $5,000 a month. So literally you can do it too. And that's easy money if you just put your mind to it and have a niche and grow your platforms. So that's all I really have for this video, guys. If you have questions on how to go ahead and scale this side hustle, you can hit me on Instagram at LUVTito, and go ahead and comment down below for more side hustle videos. Got some good stuff coming for you guys in terms of content, so stick around. I'll see you guys later.